Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Noah and Allie. I'm Noah.
And I'm Allie. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to have you here today.
Thank you for joining us. Today, we have a very simple conversation. If you're a beginner, don't worry. We're going to use easy English.
That's right. Today's topic is something everyone can talk about.
We're going to talk about our daily routine.
I like this topic because everyone has a daily routine.
Exactly. You don't need difficult words. You can talk about your day with simple English.
I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with the morning. Allie, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That's a nice time. Do you always wake up at 7?
Most days, yes. Sometimes I wake up a little earlier, sometimes I wake up a little later, but usually it's 7 o'clock.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I do. I like the morning. Everything is quiet, the air feels fresh, I feel relaxed.
I like mornings too. When I wake up early, I have more time. I don't need to rush.
I don't like rushing. I like to do everything slowly.
Me too. When your alarm rings, do you get up right away?
Not always. Sometimes I stay in bed for a few minutes.
Really? What do you do?
Sometimes I close my eyes again. Sometimes I think about my day. Sometimes I just enjoy my warm bed.
I understand. My bed is very comfortable too. But after a few minutes, I get up.
Me too. If I stay in bed for too long, I feel sleepy.
So first you wake up. Then you get up. What do you do next?
I go to the bathroom.
What's the first thing you do there?
I brush my teeth.
Every morning?
Yes, every morning and every night.
That's a good habit. After you brush your teeth, what do you do?
I wash my face.
Cold water?
Usually cold water. It helps me wake up.
I do the same thing. Cold water makes me feel awake.
Sometimes I'm still sleepy, but after I wash my face, I feel much better.
That's true. After you wash your face, what do you do?
I look in the mirror.
Do you smile?
Sometimes. If I'm happy, I smile. If I'm tired, I don't smile very much.
Maybe tomorrow morning you can smile a little more.
I'll try.
After that, do you take a shower?
Yes, I take a shower every morning.
Do you like long showers?
Not really, just a quick shower, about 10 minutes.
That's fast. I sometimes take a little longer.
Do you sing in the shower?
Sometimes, but I'm not a very good singer.
That's okay. Nobody's listening.
I hope not. After your shower, what do you do?
I get dressed.
Do you choose your clothes the night before?
Sometimes, but usually I choose them in the morning.
Do you ever change your mind?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I put on one shirt, then I look in the mirror, then I change my shirt.
I do that too. Sometimes I can't decide what to wear.
Exactly.
So now you're dressed. What's next?
I go to the kitchen.
Ah, the kitchen. One of my favorite places.
Mine too.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and eggs. Sometimes I have fruit too.
That sounds delicious. Do you drink coffee?
No, I usually drink tea.
Tea every morning?
Yes, a nice cup of hot tea.
I like coffee. 1 cup every morning.
Only one?
Only one. That's enough for me.
Sometimes my family drinks coffee too. The kitchen smells wonderful.
Fresh coffee has a great smell. Do you make breakfast yourself?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I make eggs, sometimes I make toast, sometimes I eat yogurt with fruit.
That's healthy. Do you ever skip breakfast?
Not very often. Breakfast helps me start my day.
I agree. I think breakfast gives us energy.
Yes, when I don't eat breakfast, I get hungry very quickly.
Me too. After breakfast, what do you do?
I wash my plate and my cup.
That's very responsible.
I like a clean kitchen.
Me too. A clean kitchen makes me feel happy.
Then I check my bag.
What do you check?
I check my notebook, my water bottle, my phone, my keys. I want to make sure I have everything.
That's smart. Have you ever forgotten something important?
Yes, one day I forgot my keys.
Oh no. What happened?
I had to go back home. I was late.
That's why checking your bag is a good idea.
Exactly. Now I always check before I leave.
After you check your bag, what do you do?
I put on my shoes.
Easy shoes or running shoes?
Usually running shoes. They're comfortable.
Comfortable shoes are important, especially if you walk a lot.
That's true.
Then you leave the house.
Yes, I open the door, I say goodbye, then I leave the house.
Do you walk to school?
Sometimes I take the bus. It depends on the day.
Do you like walking?
Yes, walking helps me wake up. I like looking at the trees and the sky.
That sounds peaceful. Sometimes I like to listen to music when I walk.
Sometimes I listen to easy English podcasts.
That's a great habit. Listening to English every day can really help.
Even if it's only 10 minutes?
Yes, even 10 minutes is good. You don't need to study for hours every day. Small steps are important.
I like that. Small steps.
Exactly. Today we used many simple sentences. Let's say them again together.
I wake up.
I get up.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
I check my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I leave the house.
I walk to school.
Wonderful. Those are all real English sentences that people use every day.
And they're easy to remember.
Exactly. You don't need difficult English to have a conversation. Simple English is real English. One sentence at a time, one day at a time, you'll become more confident.
And tomorrow morning, maybe you can say your own daily routine in English.
That's a great idea. Just start with one sentence. I wake up at 7. Then add another sentence. Little by little, you'll be speaking more English every day. Now let's continue with the rest of the day. Allie, after you leave the house, where do you usually go?
I usually go to school.
Do you enjoy school?
Yes, I do. I like learning new things. I also like seeing my friends.
That's nice. How do you get to school?
Sometimes I walk, sometimes I take the bus.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's not too long. What do you do when you arrive at school?
I say hello to my friends, then I go to my classroom.
Do you have many classes?
Yes, I have classes in the morning and in the afternoon.
What's your favorite class?
English, of course.
That's great to hear. Why do you like English?
Because I can talk to people from many countries. I can watch videos, I can read books, and I can understand more every day.
That's a wonderful reason. Learning English opens many doors.
What about you, Noah? What do you usually do during the day?
I usually work. I spend a lot of time teaching English.
What do you do first?
First, I turn on my computer. Then I answer emails.
Do you get a lot of emails?
Sometimes. Some are from students, some are from friends, some are about work.
What do you do after that?
I prepare lessons, I write notes.
That sounds busy.
It is, but I enjoy it.
Do you work all day?
Not all day. I take short breaks.
That's important.
Yes, sometimes I stand up, sometimes I stretch, sometimes I walk around for a few minutes.
I think breaks help us feel better.
I agree. After a break, I can work better.
What time do you usually have lunch?
Around 12:30. What about you?
Around 12.
What do you usually eat?
Sometimes I have rice and chicken. Sometimes I have noodles. Sometimes I eat a sandwich.
That sounds good. I usually eat something simple, maybe a sandwich, soup, or salad.
Do you drink anything with lunch?
Usually water, sometimes tea.
I drink water too.
After lunch, do you feel sleepy?
Sometimes, especially if I eat a big lunch.
Me too. Sometimes I want to take a nap.
But you can't.
No, I have to keep working.
After lunch, I go back to class.
And after lunch, I go back to work.
The afternoon goes by quickly.
Yes, it does. Then the day is almost over.
When school finishes, I go home.
How do you feel when you get home?
Happy and a little tired.
I feel the same. After work, I'm happy to be home.
What do you usually do first?
First, I change into comfortable clothes. Then I sit down and relax for a few minutes.
I like to relax too. Sometimes I sit on the sofa, sometimes I listen to music.
Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, if I have time.
I don't watch TV every day. Sometimes I read a book instead.
Reading is relaxing.
Yes, it is. Do you help cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cook with my family.
What do you like to cook?
I like cooking pasta. It's easy.
Pasta's one of my favorite meals.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Me too. It's not exciting, but it needs to be done.
Exactly. After that, I have some free time.
What do you like to do?
Sometimes I read, sometimes I listen to music, sometimes I practice English.
How do you practice English?
I listen to easy conversations like this one. I learn a few new words, then I try to use them.
That's an excellent way to learn. You don't need hundreds of new words every day, just a few words. Use them again and again.
Little by little.
Exactly. Small practice every day makes a big difference.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 10:30. What about you?
Around 11. Before I go to bed, I brush my teeth.
Me too. Then I turn off the lights,
I get into bed
close my eyes.
and go to sleep.
That sounds like a great day.
Yes, nothing special, just a normal day.
And that's the wonderful thing about English. You don't have to talk about big or exciting things. You can talk about your everyday life.
That's real English.
Before we finish, let's review today's sentences together.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to work.
I have lunch.
I go home.
I cook dinner.
I wash the dishes.
I read a book.
I listen to music.
I go to bed.
Excellent. Today you practiced many youthful English sentences. If you can talk about your daily routine, you're already speaking English.
Now it's your turn. Try talking about your day in English. It doesn't have to be perfect, just keep it simple.
Before we say goodbye, we'd love to hear from you. Write 1 or 2 sentences about your daily routine in the comments below. Tell us what time you wake up or what you like to eat for breakfast. We'll be reading your comments.
And if you enjoyed today's easy conversation, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Keep practicing a little every day.
Take care, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next conversation.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.